Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to place a new order on Anna Solution Zone website by using automatic payment option. So now, let's start. At first, open any browser available on your laptop or mobile devices and search for AnnaSolutionZone.com website. Click on Services. Here, you will get all IMEI as well as server services. So now, choose any specific service that you needed from here. Here, you can also directly contact to the website admin through WhatsApp or Telegram in order to place this order without creating any account on this website. Alternatively, you can also create a new account through the sign up section. In my case, I'm going to choose the login option. If you faced any issues while logging through username or password, then simply use the login with email OTP option. After the successful login, simply click on Buy Now. Here, fill out the necessary field. You can also enter the discount promo code, if you have any. Tick on Agreement box, and then click on Place Order. Here, choose either USDT or USDC. In my case, I'm going to choose the USDT option. Now, choose the network as Binance Pay. If you do not have Binance account, then you can also make the payments by using other wallet through different network. But it's recommended to use Binance Pay for easiness. Now, click on Next. Here, you will get the payment credentials. So now, open Binance application on your mobile device. You can make this payment in two ways. The first one is through Binance ID, and the second one is through QR code scanner. In my case, I'm going to scan the QR code in order to make this payments. Please enter the exact amount that is shown on the payment page while making the payment. Now, click on Continue. Click on Confirm. Verify your security details. As soon as the payment gets completed, you will see Back to Store button in the payment page. Now, simply click on Back to Store button. Click on Check Order Status. Click on View. Currently, it is showing as processing. It will take around 1 to 10 minutes in order to complete the order. Also, you will receive an email once the order gets completed. Here, I've received an order completion email. So, let's check it out on the website by refreshing the tab. Here, you can see that the order has been completed. In this way, you can place an order from Anna Solution Zone website by using automatic payment option. Please note that if you do not have the automatic payment option, then simply contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram in order to make the manual payments. Thanks for watching.